Hello guys, welcome to Adobe After Effects CC 2026. How to animate flag in After Effects. So guys, there I have different composition, and there I have three samples. The first one, drag and drop here, and now select, go to Effect, go to Xexert, select the 3D flag. You can download 3D flag plugin from my Patreon account. You can find my Patreon account link in video description. So guys, when you apply that, then press S for scale up the size. Don't worry, you can control your flag by going to flag size. From here, you can control the flag pool. And if you need to control the flag quality animation, go to click on Xexor's 3D flag logo right there. And wait a little bit. So guys, here you can find the window of flag animation, and now you can control your object size, you can control the quality from here, and then click OK. So and now you can see the quality of your flag. Right click, create a new camera, and select 35 millimeters and control in camera. Go to control by dolly, control by move, and control by orbit. And now let's test. Click on preview. Here you can see the flag animation right there. It's very easy to use. Let's go to another type of flag animation. We'll go to flag motion 2. Here, the banner. How to apply flag animation for the banner. Select, go to effect, and go to Xexor's 3D flag. So guys, and now press S for scale up the size, but I don't want to use like a flag animation. I want to use like a banner. Click on Xexor's 3D flag logo right there and wait again. So guys, and now go to window, how to change. Go to object control here. You can find lock edge. Click here, select left and right, and you can control the quality and then click OK. So guys, there you can see. And now if you need to change the size, press S for scale up the size and move right here. You can control your flag position. Press hold control on keyboard to slowly move like this. Slowly move it down here. And now press the space. You can see the result of flag or cloth animation. So guys, let's go to another part. Go to flag motion 3. Go to project, select another type of the banner, control the size, select again, and go to effect, select the 3D flag apply, and change the size, press S, scale up the size, and go to control the flag, move a little bit down, and click on logo Xexor 3D flag here, and change direction of the lock edge. Let's go to flag window, click here, and now change to top. Here you can see play. Let's select the bottom, play. Good. So guys, and now click OK. So after that, I need to turn off the flag pull right now. I need to move it up here. I need to move it a bit near and move here, hold control, move it down. I need to move the flag direction to bottom. You go to force, select the gravity, change the gravity rate, and now play. Here you can see. So if you need to apply the pull, go back to pull and click turn on the pull, the short pull. So guys, let's see over there. Take a look. Don't turn off the pull first because you can control the pull from here. You can control the flag position or pull from here. Sometimes when you press Ctrl Z or undo, I think that will become to error of 3D flags sometimes. So guys, thank you for watching. This was about how to animate flags in 3D dynamic animation. Have a good time. Good luck, all of you.